This is a video in part of the series of the Seesaw Administrator dashboard functionality. This video will display how to add a teacher to your school and to your classes that is not yet recognized from the Clever Sync. This is a great example for our DTLs or our AMP teachers to create an account for them in the premium version and to add them to a class. Log into your Seesaw Me admin account using the Google button. We used your @jeffcoschools.us to create your admin account. Go to the Teachers tab, click on Create New Teacher. You're going to add the name of the teacher, and then you're going to add their email. They're at jeffco.k12.co.us. You'll need to make sure that you use the @jeffco.k12.co.us email to create a teacher account. Once you've created the teacher, your list of classes that are at your school will come up, and you can add that teacher to any class or to all classes. Click on Add to Class, click the green button. You can check to make sure that it worked by going to Classes, and you can see that Justin Bieber is now part of the Admin Adding Co-Teachers class.